guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we learn miniature effect in Adobe After Effects without plugins. So let's get started. First we import a video. Then we go to the Effects and Presets and search Camera Lens Blur. Then apply on it. And change the blue radius to 0. Then press Ctrl+Y, and create a solid layer. We change the name of layer, Depth Map. Then we again go to the Effects and Presets, and search Gradient Ramp. And apply on Depth Map layer. Then we change the Start Ramp from up to down. And beneath the Depth Map layer. Then we click on Video Layer, and Blur Radius change to 14. Then we go to the Blur Map, and choose the Depth Map. And change the Source Effects and Masks. Then we change the Blur Focal Distance 110. And it's done. We successfully create a miniature effect in Adobe After Effects without plugins.